The SounDigital 400.4 EVOX amplifier delivers clean, confident power across 4 channels, giving mids and highs plenty of headroom without obvious strain or distortion. Its compact chassis is surprisingly small for a multi-channel amplifier, making it easy to tuck under a seat or in tight installs while still feeling solid and well-built. The wide frequency response that comfortably spans deep sub-bass into crisp treble helps this amplifier integrate smoothly with a variety of speakers and system layouts. Flexible high-pass and low-pass crossover controls on each pair of channels allow you to fine-tune where your speakers start and stop playing, which really improves clarity and balance. Signal-to-noise performance is strong enough that background hiss stays low, so what you mostly hear is the music rather than amplifier noise. Although it is best installed by a professional, once properly set up, this amplifier runs cool and stable, delivering reliable day-to-day performance even in demanding car audio systems.